Hello, I'm John Notorf, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association, and this is your update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry right now and how you can get engaged. Topic 1, the Pesticide Registration Improvement Act, or PRIA, was included in the past Omnibus package. ISSA announced in December that PRIA 2022 was included in the Omnibus package and signed into law by President Joe Biden. The legislation includes increased funding for EPA to better meet registration review timelines for disinfectants and sanitizer products. It also includes process improvements and a path towards bilingual labeling. PRIA reauthorization will help manufacturers' products to combat infectious diseases and protect public health get to market quicker. PRIA 5 will give manufacturers of disinfectants and sanitizers more certainty and transparency when registering their products with EPA. Additionally, this will ensure critical products are available to frontline cleaning professionals. Passage of PRIA 5 represents a major legislative victory that ISSA has been working on for the last year, and the cleaning industry, which depends on these products to serve their customers. Topic 2, get ready for National Cleaning Week 2023. March 26th through April 1st of this year is National Cleaning Week, a time when the entire cleaning industry celebrates the value of clean. You can help ISSA raise awareness about the industry by submitting a proclamation to designate the official week for your state and attending the Clean Advocacy Summit in Washington, D.C. We need your help to help us reach our goal of getting Cleaning Week in all 50 states. If you're interested in helping ISSA with this campaign or have questions regarding National Cleaning Week, please contact us at advocacy@issa.com or by going to issa.com/National Cleaning Week. Topic 3, the Department of Labor targets May for updated overtime rules. After the timeline slipped from last fall, the U.S. Department of Labor now anticipates issuing a new rule on overtime pay exemptions in May 2023 that is likely to expand the pool of American workers that are eligible for overtime pay. ISSA will plan to engage and submit comments in response to the notice of proposed rulemaking when it is released. Previous iterations of this, our comments were cited in the final rulemakings. This was your Cleaning is Essential update on the top 3 legislative regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry. We invite you to register and sign up for ISSA's free legislative and regulatory e-newsletter by going to issa.com/takeaction.
We're strongest when we work together. ISSA is advocating for you by actively lobbying governments on the biggest challenges facing the cleaning industry and your business. We need your help to win key legislative and regulatory victories in Washington, D.C. and all 50 states. Support the cleaning industry and make your voice heard by contributing to the ISSA Advocacy Fund at issa.com/advocacy fund.